This may be one of the most indestructible trucks of all time. In March 1968, Toyota introduced the first-generation Hilux, marking the beginning of a legendary chapter in the history of compact pickup trucks. The vintage Hilux quickly gained global acclaim for its robust body-on-frame chassis, durability, and off-road prowess. While known as the Hilux in most markets, North America transitioned to generic terms like truck, pickup truck, or compact truck in 1976. However, the iconic SR5 package, celebrated for its sporty features, became synonymous with Toyota pickups. The 1984 introduction of the Trekker expanded the Hilux family, later rebranded as the 4Runner in North America, Australia, and Venezuela, and the Hilux Surf in Japan. These vintage iterations catered to diverse market preferences, establishing the Hilux as a versatile and enduring presence. As the years progressed, the vintage Hilux adapted to changing automotive landscapes, with the seventh-generation model in 2004 adopting the IMV platform.